courses in learning how to use sound therapy with the Tibetan bowls, but and it's taught by a Tibetan monk. He comes here to Ashland. I took the course in Ashland. The bowl that I use is made out of 9 different kinds of metal. It's all handmade by the Tibetan monks, and you just hit it, and the sound, if you put it on the body, it goes all the way to the back if you put it on the abdomen and things, and you can do different healings with sound.
And I got to experience the
Yes.
bowl.
Oh, did you
Yeah,
really?
it was wonderful. So she put it on my abdomen, and then tap the bowl, and the sound literally travels through your body. You can feel the vibrations.
Yeah.
It was very nice.
Yeah,
Very nice.
I use it on people if they've had back problems and things like that. It just depends on what else I need to do with them. You know, I don't use the bowl on everybody, but if they want to try it, I do. I like to gong it.
Yes. That was awesome. That was so good.